Understanding YouTube TV and XRP. YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service, while XRP is a cryptocurrency created by Ripple Labs. Currently, there is no direct integration between YouTube TV and XRP. Here's a breakdown of both services and their relationship. 1. YouTube TV Overview. Service type: live TV streaming platform. Content offered: over 85 channels, including news, sports, and entertainment. Subscription model: monthly fee paid through traditional payment methods like credit and debit cards. 2. XRP Overview. Currency type: digital cryptocurrency. Developed by Ripple Labs. Primary use: facilitating fast and low-cost international money transfers. 3. Payment methods for YouTube TV. Accepted forms: major credit and debit cards. Cryptocurrency payments: YouTube TV currently does not accept cryptocurrencies, including XRP, as payment for subscriptions. 4. Potential future developments. Industry trends: some streaming platforms are exploring the integration of cryptocurrency payments. YouTube TV's position: as of now, there have been no official announcements about YouTube TV accepting XRP or other cryptocurrencies for subscription payments. Conclusion: at this time, YouTube TV operates independently from XRP, and there is no direct interaction between the two. Subscribers must use traditional payment methods such as credit or debit cards to access YouTube TV services.